Hello everyone. In this lesson we will be learning about while loop. Now in our previous program we used the for loop. Now in this program we will use the while loop and we will execute a similar program. This time we will use while loop. Okay, to use while loop first we need the variable which we will use in the loop. Let that be x and it have an initial value 1. Now we will try to replicate the same program that we use for the for loop, but this time we'll make some changes. So now what we need to do is while is the keyword that is used for while loop. While x less than 10 will cout go. Will cout go. Now if we want the next output to be printed on a new line, we'll add \n to our cout statement. Now adding \n will print the next output in the next line. Okay, we are good to go. Now we will use x plus plus or x equal to x plus 1. X plus plus. You can also use x equal to x plus 1, but this time we'll use x plus plus. Okay. We need the semicolon here also. Alright, now let's compile this. Yeah, we can see that the go gets printed. So go gets printed 9 times. If you wanted to print 10 times, we can give it x less than or equal to 10. Now this time it will print 10 times. Yeah, this time it is printing 10 times. Okay, that is how we use while loop. Now while keyword followed by the bracket. Inside the bracket we'll have a condition and then we'll use the braces, and inside the braces we'll have a loop commands. This is how we use while loop. While loop is similar to for loop, but there are some advantages to while loop. We'll discuss that in our later lectures. Now in our next lecture we will study about do while loop, which is similar to a while loop. See you there. Thank you.